Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hopefully, you guys had a great, awesome long weekend. Whenever there's a long weekend, there's always a bit of an antsiness when you trade on the following after the long weekend. So try to trade small, try to play it safe. That's how I roll. Now, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Keeps me motivated to make more videos from you, so you guys are gonna learn. So first things first, let's look on the overall market. So Dow, Qs, and the spiders all are pretty strong. One sector, or say one kind of stocks, which I will be looking going forward, is the IWM, the small cap index. Haven't talked about this a lot, but if you look on this, it's actually trailing the spiders, right? I mean, if you look on the spider chart, let me pull that out for you guys. So past couple of weeks, I was trading a lot of large cap names. Every now and then I did trade small caps because small cap wasn't really doing anything. If you look on Spiders, which is the top 500 companies in the US, this has been purely been trending really sweet, right? Now there is going to be rotation from small caps to from large caps to small caps, and that's where the IWM is. It's a small cap index, the Russell 2000. Let me pull that up again. Not sure what happened over here. Okay, feels like I've tried a few more times. Let's take a look. So IWM is really when you can actually tell whether there is risk on or risk off in the market, right? At present time, when it starts breaking to new highs, that's a daily chart. If you look on the weekly chart, you can actually see that on the weekly chart. Pull that up. At this point, overall in the market, there is really no fear, right? I mean, everything is trying to drift up, and after a sideways consolidation, now IWM is starting to go. So which means that I want to have eyes on small caps. I didn't trade small caps today, but it is something I will be trading. So first things first, let's look at the trade I did today on EXAS. Some news on it today. I'm not sure if there's any news or anything, but it did come out on my scanner. Let me pull that up for you guys. On the daily chart. Okay, so this is still the IWM chart. Let me pull up the EXAS chart. Right, so Exact Sciences, so it's a biotech name. I didn't really realize it until now, but who cares about whether it's biotech or not? As long as it's not a retail, I want to trade it. So EXAS, some news on it on February 21st today. So I guess it was some earnings which came out today. Don't really care about what it is. What I really know is if you look at the multi-time frame analysis, let me see. I'm trying to zoom this up for you guys. Actually, so there's a daily chart, a 15-minute chart, a 5-minute chart. What I'm trying to do is align the stars, right? Trying to find the best alignment in the name, and hopefully I'll find an opportunity. So if you look at the daily chart, it is breaking out to new highs, which means there is no overhead resistance. Now the question really is, once it comes to this 2280 level, is it gonna hit it and roll over, or is it gonna keep on going? That's where you have to make a judgment, right? So best case scenario is for me as a trader, to actually look at on a smaller time frame, a 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart, find an opportunity where it's going to be an easier name to trade. So 2280 was the breakout level, right? You can see the highs from the previous time when as high as 2280. So that was really the level. And once it starts forming this flag under this 2280, I knew that this stock was going to go, right? So that's why if you take a look at my trade, I entered at 2273, 200 shares, not too much. Trading only a $4,000 account, so you can't really buy too much on this name. So managed to get out at 2308, 2314. So once I saw this push, I scaled out in this candle, right? I mean, there could have been quite a bit more, but it is what it is. I made my quick $70 on it. Now, while I'm looking at small caps, there's a few small cap names which actually came on my radar, which actually looked good, but I didn't really trade it. One of them is EYEG, right? So the daily, you can see, I mean, most of the times there's really nothing going on, right? But today is really the day when there is something going on. So you want to trade on the days when there is something going on in the name. So let's break it down on the 5-minute chart to see the opportunities for this name. So, I mean, the first push was on down, and then it had a slight move higher, right? It went from 220 to 280, so about 60 cents, and then it started consolidating. Right now, as I mentioned in previous videos, that if you have a trending stock, it's going to give you lots of opportunities. But this could have been one of the trades. Break of new highs is one of the trades, but because it's breaking on the third one, it would have been a riskier trade. The safer trade would have been right here, which is the 290, and it actually started trending once it started breaking out, right? So easy name to trade. Because the IWMs are breaking out now, I'll try to find more opportunities in the small cap names. Hopefully they turn out well. So I'll try to find some easier setups like these, and hopefully I'll make a lot more gains. So once again, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Gonna make more videos for you guys to learn, and hopefully you guys gonna make a lot of gains. Have a good day.